What's up everyone, I'm your host John, welcome back to Drilling Nerd. In today's video, I will be showing you 4 ways to prevent stripped screws from ever happening again. Here are the 4 easy ways. Step 1. Right size bit. The screwdriver bit needs to fit the screw head perfectly. A loose fit means the tool slips and damages the screw. Pro tip, Matchmaker, many screws have their type printed right on them. Look for markings like Phillips number 2. Screwdriver bits are often labeled too, so you can find the perfect match. Step 2. Straight shot. Keep your screwdriver straight when turning the screw. Any angle throws things off, causing the bit to slip and strip the head. Make sure your screwdriver is perfectly lined up with the screw head before turning. This creates a strong connection and prevents slipping. Step 3. Steady pressure. When driving a screw, apply firm, downward pressure while turning. This helps the screwdriver grip the screw head and prevents it from jumping out. Don't go too light, the screw won't catch. But too much force can damage it too. Step 4. Use liquid grip. Sometimes, even with the right technique, things get tricky. That's where a product like Tank Bond Liquid Grip comes in. Apply a tiny drop to the screw head for extra grip, especially if you notice any slipping. I hope you find this video helpful. If you want more useful drilling tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks for joining me on Drilling Nerd.